Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. Compass. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.